What is up, Poke Brawlers? Welcome back to the Poke Ring. I'm your host, PokeGloves, here with another Celebrations Collection opening. Now, I haven't opened anything since the start of the set back in October 8th. I think I may record something on like a Wednesday night, so I had some product backed up or pulled from my vault. I can't remember. I got to restock all of that, but I was out with my wife today, and we did see this, and I chose to get this collection rather than Fusion Strike, because I haven't really opened a lot of Celebrations, so I'm hoping that I get some good stuff. If you hear little pitter-patters on the ground, that is my puppy. We recently got a Frenchie, since there's that code card for whomever. We got a Frenchie since my last recording. Actually, the weekend that I recorded the last bit, we got a puppy. So that has been my focus, so that is why I've not been here too much. So let's get all of the trash out of the way. All of the trash. All of the trash. No copyright. No copyright. Don't hit me with that copyright. No, no. And her name is Robin, because my wife's first dog's name was Bruce Wayne, so she is Robin. Cute. All right, so we have 4 Celebrations pack and 2 regular booster packs. Now, I'm not sure when I'm uploading this. However, I did just put up... Sorry, I'm taking my glove off. I did just upload, for me in real time, the Fusion Strike comparison guide, which all of you should check out, and please leave me a comment letting me know what you think about that style of video, the information, because I really want to service the community the best I can by giving back to a community that has definitely been amazing for me. 4 from the back, I'm gonna say Darkness, Electric. But yeah, I just uploaded that. I think that information is very needed. It's a price comparison guide of pre-sale to the day before, so a week after pre-release happened, into release day, and just looking at percentages, Wigglytuff, and non-hollow Muck. Cute. But yeah, I think that it's just a good type of video to have. I know Danny Phantom does it, and I really like his information that he has to put out there. So that's why I want to do my own. So yeah, leave me a comment on that video. Please watch it. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you think my predictions are on point or not. Just have a nice dialogue with me. I want to talk with you guys more. I enjoy speaking to you all. I enjoy the comments. I know I haven't been on in a while. I've been trying to set up some stuff for the channel and for my business, and just not been going too far. Hey, Necrozma Z or V card. That's cool. I don't know if I have this yet. Pop him right there so you can see him. Woohoo! We're on to Celebrations already! Let's go! This video is going to be really short, and that is totally okay with me. I don't need to have big videos. Doesn't do much for me. Oh wow, that opened smooth. There is that code card. No energy, but we will do the card trick for the Celebrations pack. So we have Kyogre, Xerneas, Flying Pikachu, and hey, Garchomp level C, or C level X. I believe I pulled this one, but that is just a cool card, and it's not Pokemon Celebrations opening without either getting a Pikachu VMAX or the dreaded full art Pikachu. Chase cards that I still need from this. I pulled the Shining Magikarp and the Charizard in the same video, so there's that code. Try not to do the barcode so people can't just snipe it. I still need 3 more. Baby girl, thank you for licking me, but that's okay. I still need 3 more Shiny Mews, so I manifest a Shiny Mew in this, or the Umbreon Star. I'm not picky, but we will get one of the 2. And our rare is There he is. Pikachu, full art, and Ho-Oh. Nice. You know, celebration packs go so quickly, and I know some people are having issues getting their hand on stuff. Celebrations is still being massively printed. Pokemon knows that everyone wants this set, so don't worry, don't get that FOMO. Don't get that FOMO. I can already tell this one doesn't have anything from the classic, and no hit because I accidentally saw it. And woohoo. Alright, last pack magic. Let me know down in the comments just how you doing. Question of the day is how you doing. Just talk to me. See what's going on. Please, it would really benefit and help me if you go see my video on the price comparison, and please let me know what you think about that and interacting on there, because that's a video I want to do going forward, and it's really going to help to know your opinion. So, our rare is going to be Solgaleo, and we're going to end on Palkia. Wah, wah. Well, wow, that was under average. Typically, it's two... Like every other pack, you're going to get something from the Classic Collection. But that's really cool. Hey, baby girl, can you stop eating this pole? Thank you. But here we go. Here are our hits for this. For 20 bucks, not bad. We didn't make our money back, but that is A-okay. This Garchomp's dope, and it's something I can trade in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching. I am PokeGloves here in the Poke Ring, and I cannot wait. Oh yeah, this one. Forgot. These four. But I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.